In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with QuickBooks, a powerful tool that can simplify your business accounting needs. QuickBooks is a versatile platform designed by Intuit, specifically catered to small and medium-sized businesses. It helps you manage your finances efficiently by automating various tasks such as invoicing, tracking income and expenses, handling payroll, and processing payments. With the functionalities it offers, managing your inventory becomes more streamlined, enabling you to focus on growing your business. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the best use of QuickBooks. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which acts as the hub of your QuickBooks experience. It provides you with an at-a-glance overview of your financial status, including cash flow and performance insights. From here, you can create a range of accounting documents depending on what you need. Look for the Create button, which will be invaluable as you manage invoices, estimates, expenses, bills, and more. This tool is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to generate professional documents with little hassle. If there are frequently used actions, you might want to bookmark them for quick access whenever needed. Next, take advantage of the various features available on the dashboard. One key section is the Reports area, where you can generate and review detailed financial documents. These reports are vital in helping you make informed business decisions. They provide insights into how your business is operating, identify trends, and highlight areas that might need your attention. You'll find reports on profitability, inventory, bills, and expenses that are customizable to match your business's specific needs. Additionally, the Feed section allows for seamless transaction tracking. Here, you can connect your bank account to automatically update recent transactions. This function simplifies reconciliation and ensures your records reflect your actual activity, reducing the likelihood of overlooking any important details. The dashboard also supports a bookmarks feature, letting you easily access your most important pages with one click. It's a small but incredibly handy feature that ensures efficiency as you navigate through the platform. As you work with QuickBooks more, you'll find that its various features are interlinked, offering a cohesive accounting solution. The integration between categories like payroll, inventory, and payments makes it not just a tool, but a reliable partner in managing your business finances. And there you have it, a straightforward introduction to getting started with QuickBooks. Armed with this information, you're poised to take full control of your business accounting tasks, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters, growing and nurturing your business. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.